Hello everyone. Welcome to OOCL Thailand. Today, we are excited to introduce our Smart Invoice system, a digital solution designed to make your documentation process faster and more convenient than ever. Before we dive into the tutorial, here are 6 important points you need to know. 1. No receipt revisions. OOCL does not allow receipt amendments under any circumstances. Please double-check that the name and address are 100% accurate before submitting. 2. Invoice required. You cannot use the Smart Invoice system if an invoice hasn't been issued yet. Please contact our inbound customer service to verify your data first. 3. Container deposits. These are not supported in the system. Please email your proof of payment, name, and address directly to our team. 4. One slip, one receipt. One proof of payment equals one receipt. We cannot split payments into multiple receipts. 5. Smart Invoice is standard. All payments will be processed through this system, except in cases of overpayment. 6. Existing accounts. If you already have a blockchain cargo release or My OOCL Center (MOC) account, you can log in using your existing email and password. For demurrage and reefer monitoring charges, if you received your DO via cargo release, log back into the system and click Extend DO, upload your proof of payment, and provide the receipt name and address in English. Once verified, you'll receive a new DO with updated PIN codes and free time, and for the receipt we'll send via email. However, if you received your DO at the counter, please email your proof of payment to our staff first. Once we confirm the invoice is ready, you can then log into Smart Invoice to issue your receipt yourself. Next, let's walk through the registration process. If you already have an account and are logged in, feel free to skip to 3.20 to see the step-by-step guide on how to use the service. To get started, you need to register. There are 2 account types. Register by guest account. For customs brokers with fewer than 10 transactions per day, one account can manage multiple clients. Register by company account. For cargo owners or brokers with more than 10 transactions per day. For a guest account, please enter your personal information. You only need to fill in the fields marked with a red asterisk. Or for a company account, please provide your company's details. Similarly, only the fields with a red asterisk are required. Once submitted, your application will be reviewed within the current business day. After approval, you will receive an automated email from support_dh@oocl.com to set your password. Simply click the link provided in the email to create your password and finalize your registration. Once you have successfully set your password, please return to the login page. Enter your email and password to log in. For My OOCL Center or MOC customers, simply navigate to the Invoice and Payment menu and select Smart Invoice. For existing cargo release customers, you can use your current email and password to log in directly. Alternatively, you can click on Submit Payment from the cargo release website to be redirected. Once logged in, go to Payment Instruction and select Payment Instruction Submission. Please upload payment proof. Upload your payment slip. Our AI will attempt to autofill the data for you, but feel free to edit any field manually. OOCL Bank Account. Select the OOCL account number used for the transfer. For SCB ASOC branch, select SCB Bank Bangkok. For HSBC or bill payments, select HSBC Bangkok. For SCB Lame Shebang branch, select SCB Bank Lame Shebang. Payment amount. Enter the amount for Thai baht. Payment method, select the auto transfer. Payment date. Enter the date that you completed your payment. Payment details. Enter your 10-digit BL number or invoice number. Assign amount. Enter the amount for Thai baht. Lastly, you can leave the withholding tax field blank, as there are no tax deductions for inbound shipments. And please always check the summary total to ensure it matches your payment slip exactly. Now, we come to a very important section. Payer name. Please enter the company name exactly as it should appear on the receipt in English. Next, in the receipt remark field, please provide the billing address in English. You may also include the head office, tax ID, or branch code as prompted by the system. Please double-check the information in these 2 fields carefully. As mentioned earlier, we do not allow any amendments to the receipt once it has been issued. In the Other Documents or Remarks section, if you have any additional documents to attach or specific instructions for us, please provide them there. If not, you may leave it blank. Once all the information is complete, click Next and then Submit. Our verification process takes approximately 4 working hours during our business hours from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Please note that requests submitted after hours will be processed on the following business day. After clicking Submit, please note that you will need to track the status and download your receipt manually through the Smart Invoice system. To do this, hover your mouse over the Payment Instruction menu and select Payment Instruction Inquiry. You will see the BL number you have submitted. You can monitor the progress by checking the Status column. In progress, your request is currently being reviewed by our team. Accepted or registered, the verification is complete. You can now download your receipt by scrolling to the right to the Payment Receipt column. Click on the blue receipt number, starting with 419, to download your file. Declined in red, this means there was an error in your submission or some information was incorrect. To find out why, simply hover your mouse over the circle icon next to the declined status. The system will display the specific reason for the rejection. You can then correct the information and resubmit your request. This is an example of the receipt you will receive. It is an official original receipt, which you can use for your further processing immediately. And that completes our step-by-step guide on how to use Smart Invoice. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please feel free to contact our inbound customer service department. Thank you for choosing OOCL. We appreciate your business. Goodbye.